Are you ready to build wealth faster in 2025? In this video, we're going to explore the most profitable assets that can help you achieve your financial goals quickly. From real estate to stocks, and from bonds to cryptocurrencies, we'll dive into the best investment opportunities that can help you grow your wealth exponentially. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, this video will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips to make informed investment decisions. So, if you want to build wealth faster in 2025, watch this video until the end and get ready to take your finances to the next level. Did you know that the top 1% of the world's wealthiest individuals saw their net worth grow by over $2.5 trillion in the last year alone, while millions struggle to build even a small safety net? What if the gap isn't just about income but about the assets they choose? In 2025, building wealth faster isn't about working more hours, it's about working smarter with the right assets. Start with appreciating assets like income-generating real estate, which not only builds equity but also puts passive income in your pocket every month. Then tap into dividend-paying stocks that grow with time and pay you for simply holding them. Digital assets like content platforms, niche websites, and even NFTs with real-world utility are opening doors for everyday investors. And don't overlook high-yield savings or peer-to-peer lending options, where your money works harder in places banks won't tell you about. The path to financial freedom lies in understanding what to build, what to buy, and most importantly, what to let go. In 2025, let your assets hustle for you while you live life on your terms. Building wealth in 2025 is no longer just about saving money or climbing the corporate ladder. It's about making strategic choices that multiply your income and create long-term stability. In a world where inflation, automation, and digital disruption are shifting the economic landscape faster than ever, relying on one source of income or outdated financial strategies simply won't cut it. The key to financial success today lies in owning the right assets, ones that appreciate in value, generate passive income, and offer leverage. Whether it's real estate, stocks, online businesses, or digital products, the assets you choose determine how fast you grow and how secure your future becomes. Smart investing isn't about chasing trends. It's about building a diversified portfolio that works for you, not the other way around. If you want to accelerate your wealth journey in 2025, it starts with understanding what assets are truly valuable, how they perform in today's economy, and how you can start owning them, even with limited capital. Real estate remains one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. Whether it's residential rental properties, commercial spaces, or short-term vacation rentals, real estate offers consistent cash flow, long-term appreciation, and tax advantages. But it requires upfront capital, market research, and ongoing management to truly maximize returns. Stocks offer accessibility and scalability. With fractional shares and online platforms, anyone can invest in companies that dominate industries or grow rapidly in emerging markets. Dividend-paying stocks can provide passive income, while growth stocks can multiply your investment over time. The market, however, comes with volatility, and timing, patience, and diversification are key to managing risks. Cryptocurrencies bring innovation and high reward potential. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins are transforming how we think about money and investing. With decentralization and limited supply, they've shown explosive growth, but the space is still highly volatile and speculative. Education and risk management are essential if you want to play in this space smartly. Alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending, digital products, royalties, online businesses, and even collectibles can open new doors for wealth creation. These assets are less correlated with traditional markets and can provide unique streams of income. However, they often require more specialized knowledge and due diligence before jumping in. Building wealth faster in 2025 is about blending these asset classes in a way that fits your goals, lifestyle, and risk appetite. The right mix creates momentum, the wrong choices can slow you down. High-yield savings accounts and money market funds provide a safe place to park your cash while earning better returns than traditional savings. While not aggressive wealth builders, they're great for emergency funds and short-term goals with minimal risk. Index funds and ETFs offer instant diversification and lower fees. Instead of picking individual stocks, you invest in entire market sectors or indices like the S&P 500, spreading risk while capturing long-term growth. They're perfect for hands-off investors looking for consistent, compounding returns. REITs or real estate investment trusts let you invest in real estate without owning physical property. They pay regular dividends and are traded like stocks, offering a lower barrier to entry into the property market while still providing income and diversification. Online businesses like e-commerce stores, digital product platforms, or affiliate marketing sites are powerful digital assets. Once set up, they can run 24/7 and scale globally. They require effort up front but can become passive income machines over time. Franchise ownership provides a proven business model with built-in brand recognition. While it often demands more capital, it offers support, training, and systems that can make entrepreneurship less risky and more scalable. Private equity and angel investing let you invest in startups or growing businesses. The risk is higher, but the rewards can be massive if you back the right venture early. This path is suited for those who understand business models and want to be part of something big from the ground up. Self-published books and courses create intellectual property that earns income repeatedly. Platforms like Amazon, Udemy, or Gumroad allow creators to monetize knowledge, skills, or passions, building a digital legacy that pays over time. Rental income from vehicles or equipment through platforms like Turo or Fat Llama allows you to generate cash from underused assets. It's a unique way to build side income and reinvest it into higher yield assets. Gold and precious metals provide a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. While they don't generate income, they hold value over time and can stabilize a portfolio during downturns. Licensing and royalties from music, photography, or software give creators ongoing income without constant effort. Once a piece of content or code is produced and licensed, it can pay you repeatedly, scaling your time and talent into long-term wealth. Here are a few real-world inspired case studies that highlight how different individuals built wealth faster by choosing the right assets and strategies in recent years. A tech-savvy entrepreneur in his late 20s started with a small YouTube channel and used affiliate marketing to promote software tools. Instead of spending all his earnings, he reinvested into digital products, launched an online course, and scaled up by building an email list. Within 2 years, his income jumped from $2,000 per month to over $30,000 per month, with most of it coming from automated systems. A young couple in the UK used a £20,000 inheritance to buy their first buy-to-let property outside London. They targeted university towns with high rental demand. The first property generated £600 per month net income. Within 5 years, they leveraged equity and cash flow to acquire 3 more properties. Today, their rental income covers all living expenses, and the property value has nearly doubled. A freelance graphic designer in the US invested $5,000 in dividend-paying stocks consistently over 5 years using a dollar-cost averaging strategy. She focused on stable companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. Through reinvested dividends and market appreciation, her portfolio grew to over $40,000, creating a solid financial cushion. A cryptocurrency enthusiast began investing in Bitcoin and Ethereum during the 2020 dip, putting in $200 per month. He educated himself deeply, avoided hype coins, and held long-term. By 2024, his $7,000 investment had grown to over $40,000. He diversified some profits into stable coins and high-yield staking platforms, generating steady passive income. A part-time Uber driver created an e-commerce store using Shopify and sold custom car accessories. He used TikTok and Instagram Reels to create short, viral product videos. Within 8 months, his store made over $100,000 in sales, and he sold the business for a 5-figure sum to focus on launching new digital ventures. A retired teacher in Australia wrote a children's book series and self-published it on Amazon. With simple but engaging stories and consistent marketing, her books generated steady royalties. She later created companion workbooks and audiobooks, turning one-time content into a 6-figure intellectual property portfolio. A single mom in Canada rented out her car on Turo and bought another used vehicle with the profits. Within a year, she was managing 3 cars, generating over $2,500 per month after expenses. She used the income to invest in her kids' education and started saving for a down payment on a home. A software developer licensed a mobile app he created during a hackathon to a startup that needed it as part of their product suite. The licensing agreement paid him monthly royalties, and he retained the rights to upgrade and resell the app elsewhere. This one asset produced income without additional effort. A college student built a successful niche blog around student productivity tools and monetized it using Google AdSense and affiliate links. After gaining consistent traffic from SEO, he sold the blog for $25,000 and used the money to launch a podcast and membership site. A former marketing executive created an online course teaching freelancers how to land high-ticket clients, using a mix of webinars, YouTube videos, and paid ads. She turned her expertise into a recurring revenue stream of $10,000 per month within 6 months. The course continued selling even while she took a break to travel. Now that you've seen how powerful the right assets can be in building wealth faster, I want to hear from you. Which asset do you believe has the most potential in 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's spark a conversation. And if you're serious about taking your financial game to the next level, make sure to check out my other videos packed with practical tips, real-world strategies, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow smarter, invest wisely, and build lasting wealth. Your journey starts here. Keep learning, keep growing.